All right, welcome to Google Docs. The first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to docs.google.com and you'll be directed to this website, and you're going to create an account. And then all you have to do is go in the corner, sign up for a new Google account. If you already have an email account, then you don't need to create a whole new Google account. Google account basically is everything except the email. So you get everything else that Google provides except the email. So if you want to create have an email with them, you should probably do that. I already have an email account with them, so it makes it very simple for me to do. And I'm just going to type this is my Google Docs page right here. And what I've done to make my life a little bit easier is I've created different folders. And folders are actually technically called collections. And each collection, there's different items within that collection. This is the file right here that I share with my government and economics course. And you can see that I share all of these folders at once. So for instance, if you right-click on this and you click on share, this shows you all of the people that I share this document with. Actually, this folder, excuse me. So these are all my students. So for instance, I've divided things up into units. So in Unit 4, every time that I do something in class, I put that information in here so they can have access to it. And I have everything from PDFs to PowerPoints that I've created to documents that I've created to even in here I have an episode of Law and Order that I actually uploaded so they can watch it in class. So you can actually even show this kind of thing. Very cool, very useful. The other thing that I will say is there are some things that I allow them to collaborate with. I allow them to make some changes to. So for instance, in the very first marking period, I have them working on scripts as a group. And so you can see here, this is a document that they shared with each other within the group, and they created a script together. If I click on here, I can see a revision history, and these are all the kids and the kinds of changes that they made. And you can see that she took out the word much, that Akash took out completely, that Arvind took out the A in articles and much here, and Smriti did some other work on it here. It's hard to see entirely. I guess it's purple right there. So you get an idea of the kinds of changes that were made, and you can always restore to a previous version, going all the way back to September 21st to September 26th. Like that's when the project was done. So I'll exit out of here. And that's the very basics of it. In order to create things, you hit the Create tab right here, and you'll click on Document, so that'll create like a whole new document. And you can start typing in here, and then you can change the name of the document here. I'm not going to do that now. I guess I will. It's demo. And then it will appear, if I click on Home, it'll appear as the last modified document that I worked on. So it's not there right yet, but it will be there. So in Unit 1, you see all these documents I have in here. I've shared everything since the very beginning. It's very useful. I can do like a PowerPoint, and then they can look at it later. So here's like 3 compromises at the convention as an example of that. These documents. All right. That's the